Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we're going to IKEA. I am caffeinated and I am sugared up. If you want to know who gave these to me, stay tuned on my channel. I have a homeschool mom box swap coming up, and you'll get to find out who gave those to me, and you might already know who she is and about her channel. But if you are a new homeschool mom, you're definitely going to want to watch that video so you can start following a bunch of awesome mommy homeschoolers. The point of coming here today is to get covers for my couches. I like my couches, but I've had them, I think it's been 3 years now, maybe 2.5, something like that. And with 3 kids, 2 dogs, and the sun shining in the windows, they're looking a little worse for the wear. So I decided to get new covers for them. And a couple more years down the road, we'll maybe look into possibly getting like leather couches or something like that. But for now, they are perfectly good. So we're just gonna get some new covers for them so they look nice. And I'm excited about that. And I also wanna see what is new here. So if you wanna see what's new at IKEA, come along.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
So I'm back. Does it look like I've been in IKEA for 27 hours? Because I feel like I have been. So what did I walk out with? I got these. What are these called? Whatever that is. Just little scrubbers. They have like a hard scrubby side and then a soft side. I've been needing some. And then I got one of these. The one that I have at home is leaking soap all the time, so kind of gross. And then I got the Drona boxes. I got 8 of these. I'm gonna be organizing the top of my closet with them. And then if I need them anywhere else, like if I bought too many, I can always use them around my house. And then I got the Kivik Love Seat and Chase Lounge covers. And then this one took me forever to get. It's the sleeper sofa cover, and that was one that I had to order at the help desk and then check out and then wait. It was only like 10 minutes, but you know, I had to wait for them to get it out of the back and give it to me. So after you check out, they give it to you, which I think is kind of weird. What's up with that, IKEA? But it was a fun day, and now I'm gonna go grab a couple things at the store and go home and have dinner with the fam and go to bed. Just kidding, it's a little early still, but yeah, thanks for coming IKEA with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video.